Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mahama be president biema eniem be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana mo pa mo date nto
yentu ohina konwa so ensan fa no be si akonwa so eye no me
Ghana penifo bebrebe ye hypocrite, excuse my language, and men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan kore
eti preacher kese abo afa Ghana nyina ma o no ye nyina ye fra tuntum enibere aba areho ahye ba bia ma dan so no e wo se ye hu oduro what I say areho aba but life to go on e wo se ye hu oduro na beka 2023 and 2020 ensem kan ye bi cause na e fa Mahama ho se obesa be dia de biem ensem kan ye bi cause e ma mo hu ade hu sunsun no e be kan nsem bi be kan se Ghana for no ante ase that time but among for say ensem mo kan ye no sa pepe ana AC 2025 we I Penyah block media mesra say any day mo over like video no that mo subscribe button so na ba click notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section mesra so ba so a no ahye video no for so anya bi ahye e to ni mi nyina ya adwen say 2025 we na sim ne dia abusia me kura me yam hyehye me se me nya live bi o ala se me nya connection ba me flow nya so mfla kra mla wo so ma adaya akra to kuma se dia kwa no wo suro oh la pasca ala de la pasca it was wrong now when I say mo accident is no ano odene accident na no odene enema to Ghana 2025 we dey minim so man no say akoy o man ni nyina akoy bone kura minim so man ni nyina akobo muso no nyame tu e kakra menti ase I don't get it ko 2025 akoy si mu as of Wednesday no 6 August na according to Ghana one statistics for o mu kire mu say enipa ewuo ewo 2025 we num nko a 1530 almost o ma prepra ewo accident mu 883 800 plus and mo ma wuwo 1500 plus 2025 nko awie that time no kwa no statistics e ba ye kwa no that time na accident say see ma nipa 8 ewu ye plane crash no wanchi kwa no so nipa 5 ewu ye kono kwa so accident esi ma nipa wu ye that day na e free ho accident esi biem no enra na dwo no enra Sunday bechem SDA omako nhyiamu e ba fi omuka konya accident kana na enipa wu no anye ni paketwa chese Ghana ha no menim no me ya abeda o my Ghana so entino ye start afi a ye wuram ye di osu ne wuram ye wura 2025 ye de kantamantuja 31st night amanfo aso dem Bempah na kantamantuja to ho ye di wura 31st night di wura 1st January 2025 mu no ewura new year neja chese wo ye na ebofa Ghana hanom no wodwene ho a wonte ase na sitting MP team wawu NSkumi na wawu chese enem ma koso 2025 mu no de ebusa sese ewemu hye nyina eteto ka nkwanhia enye ize obi betu kwa na ato na yam hyehye na ensebe na etwa Ghana montene se no ba bia ye hu no mamefo nkwa kire kakra obeka ya 2016 ye bekwa abatu na omani ma ye tare emu ana nyame fa Owusu Bempah so ekasaye ebeka nsemi se Ghana fo nyame nyame Mahama makese no me hia Mahama bio it is a wonsum ya mistake ekofa wo panaba de eni ato rent bebetum no obi antimi ntino omani mu.
God has designed that Mr. Akufo-Addo wins the election. Why were you praying for him?
Onyankopon ka say Solomon ebeye president and as a king but Nathan nom ebompa ye ma no Nathan Zadok ene Benaiah ansa na wotumi aba beye king and as a president at that time Onyankopon betumi aka say obeye nipa kese onyame aka say obeye nipa kese no you have to do something about it sebeye ade onyame aka no it will come to pass. The onyame eka ekire difo no eye sunsumade a ewo ho sunsum but ansa na bepie no ejina wo so ansa na de ne betime pie memo example odifo Jeremiah hyenkom ekire the number of years bia Israel for ebe won kwaso mo Babylon time no so pa ho eno nkire se prophet no the prophetic word no anya janim but Daniel eni hu ye ena Daniel Shadrach Meshach ni Abednego kobo ho mpae Onyankopon sma angel Gabriel so onfa answer emre Daniel Sebeya Daniel be niyama bi a ombetimi free saa nkwasum no. Angel Gabriel eba no, Prince of Persia, the great dragon. Any Gabriel battle for 21 days. But still Daniel and give up. Into Onyankopon betimi aka say blessing say eba so. Me di we ama wo. But when you careful ube lusu. Me sama another example. Onyankopon say me de me ba ama wiase nyina. But time a yewu Jesus, and Satan possess Herod, say onkum Jesus, but specifically not onim Jesus. Into one kasa ye calculation with the elders, and when say between 1 and 2 years, I yewu Jesus Christ no. Physically, spiritually, elders ehunu any time wise men no call Herod fear hono. Omaye kum enkwade wo Israel nyina na Jerusalem nyina. Onyankopon ena eyi kire Joseph se onfa kwala no nwan nko Egypt ante sa Herod bekum no. Enti senka Joseph ya soden ena se nyame na aka so de ne savior ana nyame aka so de ne babia mayen. Enti onyame na be protect na anka Herod kum Jesus. But Joseph obedient. Move every Jerusalem. Eko Mizrim ana Egypt because those days no na Egyptians any Israel for conflict. Enti we soldier ne wuntumi entwa border no enko Egypt. Enti honum na Onyankopon ma Joseph ene Mary edi Jesus kokosie till say Herod wuye ansa na Onyankopon san so Joseph da say Herod na opa kwala na kunu no wawu enti afefa kwala no san ko Jerusalem. Enu nti no onyame betumi akasa, but you have to take step so that the prophetic word of God can be fulfilled. Enti no say hesa na ma we mienu a mama example afa ho a onyame de obekasa, but de nyame aka ne beba mu a efa kase ni gina wa nyame asama ba afa ho no so.
So that's the introductory stanza of Reverend Dr. Owusu Bempah. So my first question was a straightforward question as to who is going to win the election 2016 based on his prophecy and his prophetic scene. He said Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo will surely win the election. And then I asked him, based on a video that we had played at the beginning of this program, that he had indicated in January that there was a condition that Nana Akufo-Addo had to fulfill to be able to win the election. And he said that between him and Nana Akufo-Addo, they had worked together to actually fulfill that condition. He has not told us the condition yet. I'll be coming with him on a question about that. Then I asked him that why did they need to do something physical like prayer? Because if God had said that a man will win elections, God being omnipotent, almighty, it should be a straightforward matter. And then he cited examples in the Bible with Solomon, with the Israeli, the Babylonian colonization of Israel, and all of those instances where prophecy had come, but people had to work by prayer. Prophets like Nathan had to pray for Solomon, even though God has said Solomon will be king. Daniel had to pray specifically to get out of Babylon, even though the prophet had said that by a certain time they should be out of Babylon. Basically what he's saying is that when God says something in the spirit, or when something is clear in the spirit, or when something occurs in the spirit, it has to take a bit of effort of man, spiritual exercises to be able to bring these things to pass. These are the words of Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah, and they are by no means our words. Our Facebook page is bustling big time, so I'll read it before I go to the next question. It's now 10 o'clock. You are live on Metro TV. We have some more time. JC Boache from Amprobi says that Prophet Owusu Bempah has predicted the outcomes of election 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, and all of them were accurate and precise. He has predicted again to 2016, and I'm waiting for the MPP's victory. Another one says, please, I want to ask the man of God, I want you to ask the man of God for me, this is from Richard, that the whole of Ghana, is he the only man of God that always sees election predictions? Another one says, I heard that Angel Obinim said he can rig the election for one candidate. I want to ask him whether he can also rig the election. That's both hilarious and controversial questions. So I'll put that to him directly in a minute. Opoku says, is it only Ghana that God takes interest in our elections? No, because privately, Professor Owusu Bempah has told me about the American elections. I will not disclose what he said, but he did mention to me about what will happen in the American elections as far as what he was seeing was concerned. So let's move on. Does he still stand by the prophecy concerning the U.S. elections? Okay, I don't know what he told you, Fred, but he told me something about the U.S. elections as well. Edward Osebonsu says Nanado will still win the elections if the election was rigged. Julius says, don't ask him any question. Oh, this man, Manprobi, Jesse from Manprobi says, how does he feel when he hears chiefs endorsing political party leaders and how his political prophecies has increased or declined the number of attendants in his church? Oh, really? Okay, we'll talk about that as well. But let's come back to let's come straight to the Obinim issue. Somebody says, Obinim says he as Obinim can rig elections spiritually. The person wants to ask, you as a senior prophet, can you also rig elections?
Me feel say, onyankopon na yesom no no onyankopon a faithful minim de entia bishop Obinim kan asasem no, but se onyankopon choose obi se we na me nyankopon ma choose na agisa sani pakro na reject de onyame peso ye. Ante say ye difficult so obi betumi asesa de onyame aka se biribi betumi asesa afa de onyame aka afa oman ho ana individual ana family bi ho a na bi asa family no ana individual ana say nation no omo and go according to the principles of God. Enunti no Bishop Obinim ebetumi aka sa asem no ohwa me a otimi sa mabre pa na metia no ene ye church magina me now so more than 6 hours ohwa manim kura obi hu. I'm very tired, but me pese Ghana fo nyina hu onyankopon adwene. Bishop Obinim na sama waka no me challenge no, but nukureni so nyameka so de ade no beko na so bi ka so besesa na ko bia e be very difficult. Man of God bi abagana ha wabakwa ade bi obebia enweke because man of God bi abakrom ha.
There's a man of God here.
Yes, wabakwa.
From which country?
Oh, Nigeria here no friaba
To work on our elections.
O person oba ene be enye because the power no de ba eni so. Enti no.
No, let's understand that.
Oh yes, I'm serious.
The man of God has come. Who is he?
Wabaha.
Is it TB Joshua?
Waka.
He's here.
Waka.
But
adie bi baby entimi nya djuma.
Who is he working for? Nana Akufo-Addo?
Oh, me nya sure. Anya Nana Akufo-Addo.
Is he working for President Mahama?
It can be possible. Or sure.
But it won't work.
Oh, enya djuma.
Is it not the same God? Is it not the same God that he's appealing to?
Papa mama kan se minjiro. Abiata. Ekokodi Adonija chi. Na the same God. But Nathan say enye Adonija, but a Solomon. Onyankopon defende Nathan because oko baby onyankopon achusu. Onyankopon say Samuel. And is na debia who pleaded for Saul. Free Saul the political party no because man reject no. Neko David in chain, neko kwa anointing ya king because ono na machusu no. Enti onyame timi reject king and a president. Emo onyame say choose another king and as a president.
Has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa ho.
Why? How?
Se owo spiritual eye. Na se obeka no kra. Uhu Klaus a ewo Ghana ha no mo a obi face e hye Klaus no a e hye tears. Onyame bu afu.
Say that again.
Unu ade afa ne Klaus.
Yes,
Mununkum. Obi anim e hye mununkum a e hye tears. God being so good, onyankopon sman angels se omumfa bow enso so tears no. Se beya and drop down. Antisa calamity ebesi oman mu because onyankopon say ne ma e Ghana ha na watie ne man paibo nti punishment bi a ɛwɔ sɛ tɔ ɔman bi so ana ɔman so ɛnam obi nti wama ne angels ɛde bowl asosɔ ɛna ɔmo de asi nkyɛn ɛna onyankopɔn sɛ Ghanafoɔ nim na sɛ ɔmo go wrong against the ɔno onyankopɔn decide no sɛ Charlotte sɛ yɛ o sɛ yɛ hwan yɛ o onyankopɔn bɛma saa tears no agu Ghana na sɛ gu Ghana esuma Ghanafoɔ ɛbɛ experience no ɛne bra Ghanafoɔ bɛbrɛ no obi antimi mblemu nyankopɔn. Because
you're getting more controversial and more complicated, Bishop.
Shane so bi mene ni west ene ne nan ene ne nsa ene onyankopɔn de na gina honom etwen judgment na sa nipa ko na wi be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana penifo bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan kore. Obi timi sore ka se die ntina wo ye prophet or prophesy about election. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. So Nyankopon use old prophets. Emo prophesy. Afa government ho a. Na so read 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyame ka se ma frebi ama government. Na chese sans of no kasa no. They don't know their scriptures. Omo ko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sing no onyame na tu hene. Onyankopon kasa efa o man bia ho. Onyankopon ni wo man bia akonya ho. Obi bi obetina o man bia akonya so onyame nim ho bi. So obefa kwambo ni so obe wiam so obe den onyame nim ho bi. But judgment ni duru honoma. God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Why Ghanaian?
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Now, me person be a challenge me. Me nkasa me nkwa na me a man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, mintiminda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Bibi asi o man we say mu a. I'm surprised. Send nipa timi yes ade no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enu nti onyankopon bu fu Saul. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matem I don't mind. Because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mahama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo dating to.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame se menka. So I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa.
You are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa.
The president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan. The
reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Jehoshaphat, because Onyankopon so rejected Ahab and then the wife Jezebel, because emoja woman saho, oman left ya bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab Onyankopon decided so be kumu. A Jehoshaphat cause wako help no. Ko nyame kum Jehoshaphat. Obi nyame rejecting no yen help no yen moa no.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na nadu be win but yen fama no. Ebe ko court but yen fama no, and it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but omo fama na ebe ko kopie court and esi.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Eni patimi di omo ho. Oman kasa self. Yeah. Senka David tena ho. Ena nka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David efiri na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice. Powerful advice. Accurate. Emma David who say go in Ahithophel. One shampabua to brika eko mountain top ko bomb pese rade bremu bi na baby adru na den. Because Ahithophel advice no de ama me ba Absalom no me kingdom na ba wiye. Erade me your favorite bremu bi eno onyame ba mu bi. Ento onyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom na kwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yankwase asem ewo Absalom asum emo okotie nkwala asem emo onyame yusu sa e de save David enti papa me ka no kra kire Ghana fo se enyo obia no onyame de ne tena konya so nipa bitimi de woman kasa self etimi de tena konya nyame mfa mo so.
In 2008, did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Me kai se Eradi bie mani the 31st all night. Ana me hu se na na dukuta key. Obi e do no de mu yansa nkrophobia distracting attention. De mu yansa present atamils efri na chia ko wura dan no ene mutoye. Me ka sa ba no ye beto no more than once. Ene copy time. As for that, onyame peneni.
So
Enuntina.
So Akufo-Addo has been around this thing for 2 election cycles, 2008 and 2012.
Enuntina niema bi oho no mo a na o se papa no. Asofo bi teme boa no. Ah, God being so good. Krofo bi guatwea. Ghana fo ani abre. Na MPP fo mo mpaye. Me mpese MPP fo be ka se o ma win election na wi o. Na me dia ma omo, but they have to do something.
It hasn't been done. I thought you said it's been done.
Na me dia ma omo spiritually.
No, you said you had done. He said we have done something.
No,
you and
I'm talking about Nanado. But we make a safa party.
That's parliamentary elections. That what you mean?
Dia me pesa me kire ne say, ma MPP fo ntrasen ka say ya win election no, omo mu omani na ho. Na ma me Charlotte say no, ne niam bi a wo ye na omo mpe no, omo nka. Na ade no enye straightforward. Ombi omuso be gentle. Papa, I'm going to be the 6 bed down on 9.
So, John Mahama could still be elected in December. That's the point you're making.
DNT America said President John Mahama won't me win no.
Why?
Abano election we no. Nyame sunsun na esi awie. But DNT ahunemu make no onyankopon kasa kire Israel for say. Money Benjamin for ntokwa na mo kono mo bedi nkuni mo nko. Omo koy omo ani nkuni ye defeat Israel for. Ekum Israel for nipa 22,000. Eso onyame de ka kire Israel for so omo nko bedi nkuni. Second time onyame se mo nko mo di nkuni mawie. Omo koy ya Benjamin for defeat Israel for kum nipa 18,000. Third one onyankopon se mo nko mo di nkuni. E no ma hu se no. Da bia nyame se nko ne aboye. There be a nyamesi and konia dinku go. This time we have to do something. And no ye niema. I'm talking about niema.
Rituals.
Any sacrifices, peace offering, any burnt offering.
Before they go.
And son omoko. Omoko yeno. Omu wini e defeat Benjamin for kumnipa 42,000. Emma Benjamin.
Let me take you on more specific. So December 7th, is it 1 round or 2 rounds?
Say a 1 round or say a 2 round and be winning. Sa election way no. Papa, ya to abana wi. But the entire me can say no. Me person people for no e betra se relax. Because papa, ye free bibi kronfo. Wan ya careful a kronfo betimi abofia bewia wa de so ani na ho a. Obi on my ye wo no no. Opie free ye funu no.
All that you are saying, Bishop, is that God has spoken, something has to be done, but if something is not done, President Mahama could still win. Ghanaians
President Mahama don't me win.
But if Akufo-Addo doesn't win, Mahama will win.
Oh, Papa, I'm telling you, say, Yawa hunemu, makasunsu masem. Enunti na beginning midi can say.
Who's in the clouds crying? Who's that?
Me catch you.
When?
Me no me nusia me catch you.
Who has been?
And yes, me suro sa me kan.
Yeah, who has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained.
Oh, on an Ghana had bia.
He's an evildoer.
No. Wakamo jebi ay di bi magu amonya me buafu.
And he's been chained.
Jebi e di bi mu. Obi boaw edu gina baby papa ye hwie ne moja ngu and taking position. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying. But
Now, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
like the one in the clouds.
I'm in pain, yeah.
Are you a member of the NPP?
Me a Ghanaian.
Are you a member of the NPP?
I'm a Ghanaian.
But are you a member of the NPP?
I'm not a member, but I'm a Ghanaian.
Are you a sympathizer of the NPP?
I'm a preacher.
Have you voted before?
Yes.
When?
Oh, Nina.
Did you vote for President Kofu in 2004?
Sure.
Did you vote for President Kofu in
Because
2000?
when you make a such name, say President Kofu ne be president.
Did you vote for Nana Akufo-Addo in 2008?
Sure.
You are an NPP voter.
My vote for my NDC da.
Which year?
Time now, ya Papa Rawlings. I'm saying no ne. I think say President Kofu so be
1996 would have been that year.
Because Rade kasa kyerɛ me. Emma me kasa mpanifo bi kura fa me de me kɔ aboko bi. Emi akɔ Bempah ma NDC. Me nya NPP man na me nya NDC. So nya me kasa kyerɛ me say next 4 years. Maame agyeman Rawlings na bɛba. Me professor na me vote for man. Because entimi nkɔba sɛ onyame bɛkasa kyerɛ Samuel sɛ ma reject Saul. Entimi choose David. Now still, Samuel Betwaba, ama Saul.
Have you met President Mahama before?
Many na shiada, but many in transition in komo. Many shia Christian love, no lunch. So I'm not a vice president.
Do you for some reason dislike President Mahama?
No.
Do you like him?
Me penasem pa.
Why?
But me penasem.
Why?
But me din ho yaw.
What has he done wrong?
Why are they be mempe? As a man of God, as a prophet of God, nyame reveal kyerɛ me no, me sui. I'm in pain.
Did you go to him as president of Ghana and said, like Nathan did with David in the
nyame
Bible?
nka kyerɛ me nkɔ no nkameko. Nyame ka kyerɛ me nkɔ no mekɔ kɔ kyerɛ no papa hu me saa no. Me buade aba me nsoro bia. Ka no krepa. Kameko straight. Yeah.
What is TB Joshua doing here?
Oh, the aba be no de a waste of time.
Who invited him? Who invited him here?
They know themselves.
Is it NDC people?
You sure?
To pray for them?
Enya Juma.
Is he to pray for them to counter Owusu Bempah?
TB Joshua Osa, spiritual Osa. Enya the standard name, spiritual.
That's an arrogant statement.
No, it's true. Because power kutameno, Jesus diamameno, onibi. Opa omien fesi.
Professor Mills traveled to Nigeria to see TB Joshua.
Oh,
and he was told that the election will run 3 times. And that he will be elected president.
Sorry, and son TB Joshua Becker. Now TB Joshua, they said you can be an oka.
He copies you.
I can't say that.
But he's a bigger sort of.
Ghana Hanum, I saw funny bigger than TB Joshua.
Really?
Oh yes, baby. It's Tudana Ba, Dakiwa Mills, Dr. Manson Tabel, Archbishop Duncan Williams. And yet TB Joshua yon kono omo. Ye pa software. Omu ye nyamia software TB Joshua nka ho.
If the NDC were to come to you and say, can you salvage the situation? Help us to win the election.
I can't.
Why?
Because Samuel ain't me help us Saul anymore. Because time as Samuel yes obeboa Saul no. Onyame bufu no. O say da ben and I'll be this Saul echi akosi. Da ben na be Bempah ma Saul akosi. Me say ma reject no. Why you careful? I'll kill you. Go and anoint the son of Jesse, David, as a king.
Let's talk about controversial issues, and our Facebook page is bustling so much.
Thank you.
Has the MPP paid you money? Have you received money from
By the
MPP?
grace of God, MPP me here musika. I'm blessed. I'm not bragging.
You are rich.
Yes, by the grace of God. Very. But
So
your body is
in your encounter with the MPP, recent encounter with the MPP, they've not paid you money.
MPP, I don't believe that. Even MPP will never do that. The MPP that I know, they will never bribe. I'm telling you.
There's been some prophecies also from notable Pentecost church, all of that, that John Mahama will win the election.
Charlotte say, we're Christian, onti asma American. So nim, no you're not gonna say, or best side one political party.
She's already said that she can't do that. She sat in your chair in the studio and said that it's not possible for her to do that.
Any on can no nye the wakano only super pepe because media me penasem because I know that she's a Christian. After all, me no penny be she abon hon komo. I'm a penny no kaka chem se me kan mpa bum. Ti me bom pa mama me pa but onim. Eno nti e ha me se musuo bi baba na so. Na me pekwan na me ne na hia. Ti me imagine say me call penny akoka chem say, "Papa, I want to meet your daughter." Na me ne nkasa. Me nim say me ka chem so obeka say no problem.
So you meet the electoral commission.
Me pese me meet no. Na me ka asem bi kira no. No no ati asem ni wi a obehu say we share man of God. Our good days ahead of her. But nkrofo person mo ha no. Na ne life e free nsa. Because
Life,
this coming
death.
election, Papa, onyankopon angels kuta sword. Muvura Ghana ha no. I'm praying saying nyame baby wani. Nyese me hunahuna Ghana fo. Obi abetime didi matem. I don't mind. See as me a controversial prophet of doom. I don't mind. Media meka di onyame se menka. Ya say me ya politics. Me ya politics say. Me ya politics. That is my calling. Because free bra nyame frɛ me. Obi no no obetena Ghana konyo so awurade anka nkyere me. Nyame fa me so hye nkɔm ansa na si. Eniema bie ni hɔ no nyame na me so ahye ho nkɔm Ghana ha no me nsiye. Enti no obi ka sɛ me controversial.
What did the police CID ask you?
Oh, nyamishra Papa IGP ene ne nkrofo. My respect Ghana police too much.
Emma 2023 Koku Anyidoho SBK the same thing said see you two ohene ade so a yensa amfa sa ohene no eto mesi akonya so biem eba sa eyemusuo ekofa oye ne ene basabasa ene ba sa oman ni mu enti mo anya mistake set o nwen for de mama ebeba
yentu ohene akonya so ensan fa no be si akonya so eye no me. Another one spiritually is that this sword that we hold, that the presidents hold to swear the oath of office. Pastor, spiritually, you can hold it only twice. Jerry Rawlings held it twice, 92, 96. President Koku held it twice, 2000, 2004. President Mills held it once, he died, he left. John Mahama, on the 9th of 24th July, 2012, you held the sword of state and you swore an oath. On the 7th of January 2013, you held the sword of state and swore an oath. You held it twice. Why do you want to hold it 3 times and be a curse upon the country? He cannot. Nanado has held it twice. He can't hold it the 3rd time. Why does John Mahama think that Ghana was created for him and that he will come and mess the nation up spiritually and physically? It won't happen. It cannot happen.
but Ghana for na so de ne entefo ye be kwa about 2024 okoro enwo no Anyidoho ebe pa achew obi anim de si ye obe pa achew ebe campaign ema Mahama Owusu Bempah esa be U10 obi anyame afa so aka nsem aka siesei oza be U10 ebe hye nkoma ma ha se ena Mahama akoma pantnyame do ma na hye ne nse bi ebusua ene ye ne 2025 ma obetena konya so o ma ni monyoda ene ye ne etiri ba bi kire mo TikTok say eye ensem na Owusu Bempah kan that time no nyame na fa ni mu kasa ye na sika ni na funtina chese o se sa na no 2024 wa sheda e dia akoto amane mu ama ye ebre e wo Ghana ha no mo Owusu Bempah kire wa dwene ama me e wo ko be se ensem a Owusu Bempah mo ene Koku Anyidoho mu e kan ye no eno na ye hu yi anase ne de asem ene asem ene hia ubetwa kire wa dwene ama me e wo comment section Penyah Block Media Accra.